The pile of paperwork sitting on your desk or in your drawer is not just a visual reminder of tasks undone. It is costing you real money, real rights, and real peace of mind. Medical bills contain errors at a significant rate, and most of those errors are never caught because the bill was paid without being understood. Insurance denials are overturned in appeals at a meaningful rate, but most people never appeal because they don't understand the process. Legal documents are signed without being read because the language is impenetrable. The paperwork system as it currently exists was not designed for you. Today I'm giving you one that is. Welcome back. Thursday lecture day. I'm Debbie. This week we've been building the paperwork toolkit. Sunday gave you 3 prompts for the 3 most common documents in the pile. Tuesday gave you the plain language method: orient, translate, identify. Today I'm building the complete personal paperwork management system. Before we begin, and I want to say this once clearly, AI is your translator and organizer in this system. It is not your lawyer, your financial advisor, or your insurance expert. What it does is help you understand what you're looking at so you can make informed decisions and ask better questions of the professionals who can actually advise you. That is an enormous amount of value. Let's build the system that delivers it. Component 1 is the document triage system, and it prevents the pile from forming in the first place. The reason most paperwork becomes a pile is that every new document requires a decision. What do I do with this? And making that decision feels like it requires understanding the document, which feels overwhelming, so it goes in the pile to be dealt with later. The document triage system gives you a 5-second decision framework for every new piece of paperwork. Does this require action, a decision, or is it informational? Each answer goes to a different place. The pile stops growing because every document gets a destination. Component 2 handles the category of documents most likely to be in your pile right now. Medical documents, medical bills, explanation of benefit statements from your insurance company, Medicare summary notices. These 3 document types together form the majority of the confusing paperwork most people over 60 receive. They're related to each other, they often contradict each other, and understanding how they fit together is genuinely complex. The medical document decoder gives you a system for processing all 3 in sequence so you know what you actually owe, what was covered, and whether anything looks wrong before you pay it. Component 3 is the one most people never use, because they didn't know they could. When an insurance claim is denied, most people accept the denial. But insurance denials can be appealed, and appeals succeed more often than most people realize. The Appeal Builder component uses AI to help you understand the denial reason, organize the relevant facts and documentation, and draft a clear, structured appeal letter that gives your case the best possible chance of being reviewed properly. AI does not tell you whether your appeal will succeed. Only your doctor and insurer can determine that. But AI can make sure your appeal is organized, clear, and addresses the specific reason for denial directly. Component 4 addresses the category of paperwork that feels most urgent to avoid: estate and legal documents, wills, trusts, powers of attorney, advance directives, beneficiary designations. Most people have some version of these documents and cannot tell you what they say or where all of them are. The Estate and Legal Document Organizer uses AI to help you inventory what you have, understand what each document does in plain English, identify what's missing or outdated, and organize everything so your family can find it when they need it. This is not about creating the documents. That requires a lawyer. It is about understanding and organizing what you already have. Component 5 is the one that makes the whole system sustainable: the ongoing rhythm that prevents the pile from ever forming again. Once a week, for 15 minutes, you process whatever new documents have arrived using the triage system. Once a month, you check whether anything in your action or decision folders has been resolved or needs follow-up. Once a year, you review your estate documents to confirm they're current. Not a big project, a small regular habit. Robo Puppy handles the output, the translations, the drafts, the decoded documents. AI Puppy keeps track of what's pending, what's been handled, and what still needs attention. They work as a team, and you train them both. The pile was never a character flaw, it was a missing system. Now you have one. Here is the complete personal paperwork management system. 5 components that together handle every document in the pile and prevent the pile from forming again. Component 1, the document triage system. Every new document gets a destination in 5 seconds. Component 2, the medical document decoder. Bill, EOB, Medicare statement understood together. Component 3, the appeal builder. When the answer shouldn't be no and how to ask again. Component 4, the estate and legal document organizer. Know what you have and where it is. Component 5, the ongoing paperwork rhythm. 15 minutes a week, the pile never returns. Here's the full week 13 picture. Sunday, 3 prompts for the 3 most common documents in the pile: medical bills, insurance denials, legal documents. Tuesday, the plain language method: orient, translate, identify, clear next step. Today, the complete personal paperwork management system: triage, medical decoder, appeal builder, estate organizer, ongoing rhythm. The full system, all 5 prompts, a 1-page triage decision chart, and a folder structure template, is in today's Substack post. You'll also find the 5 prompts in the description below. And if you want to build this system alongside other people who are finally dealing with their pile, the AI Puppy community is where we do this together. Link in the description. Transparency note: this video was made with AI assistance. Some links may be affiliate links. I only share what I use myself. The information in this video is for general educational purposes and is not legal or financial advice. Consult a professional for decisions with significant legal or financial stakes. And one more thing, drop a comment below and tell me, what's the document in your pile you've been avoiding the longest? I read every comment. Subscribe, share this week's content with anyone whose pile is overdue, and I'll see you Saturday on Substack. Keep training your AI puppy.